welcome back to my channel. I'm about to tie my hair up and take a spin class on my bike in my apartment. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Another New York City vlog. This is just gonna be a series of days of my life, just trying to develop a routine. I've been staying in bed till kind of like halfway through the day. I already ate some toast, but I figured I would work out and then I would have the rest of the day to kind of shower, get ready. And I think I'm meeting my friend Renee Amberg, who does YouTube as well, for a drink tonight, socially distanced, like at a public spot outside, but it will be nice to actually see someone. I've only really seen my parents lately, so I think that will be really fun, and I know she hasn't seen many people either. Also, still don't have my couch that's getting delivered tomorrow, and we have all this stuff here, but I'm wearing biker shorts from Girlfriend Collective, and then the sports bra I believe is Fabletics. Let's go. All right, wow. It was so hard. I couldn't even do half the stuff. I'm definitely not anywhere near an advanced rider, but the classes that have the best music are advanced, so I just like modify them, sit down more, go at my own pace, because I'm just doing the best I can. I'm just not that big of a fit gal yet. This is Karen's class that I just took. She's really good if you guys have the bike, or I'm sure that some of you guys have probably taken her class in person. All right, I have a package downstairs. Can't decide if I should just go get it sweaty or shower first. Probably gonna shower. Let's do that. Good, showered in my exercise dress from Outdoor Voices, and I have a package downstairs, so let's go pick it up. All right, throwback to the old apartment with the washer going, because you can definitely hear it in this one too, but there's nothing I can really do about it. I just saw the cutest dog in my elevator. I love that my building has pets. I really want to, like, I think you can sign up to like walk other people's dogs, and I would be so down, except that responsibility kind of stresses me out to a certain extent, because if something went wrong I would never forgive myself. But it was the cutest, largest white and black like fluffy dog, and he was jumping on me. It was so cute. But I just got my Nespresso. Woo! So let's do a little unboxing. I think I'm gonna set it up right here on the counter because I want to keep my counters pretty empty. That's like the concept here. It's a new espresso, so I had to get new espresso pods because I donated the old espresso to my house. So I got all sorts of pods, and then they give you a free little sample. It shipped so fast. I got it from the Nespresso website directly. All right, I'm in the process of washing some of the parts, but it looks really good. It's very sleek looking. The milk frother will go here. All of that stuff is washing right now, and I just ran it through just a hot cycle a few times. It's dripping a little bit, so we'll clean that up. I didn't realize that they sent me a sample of espresso pods, so that's really exciting, but I guess it's not all of them. I'm a little confused. I'm gonna put all of these in one of those mason jars that I had. I need to get a tripod for you guys. And then I'm gonna put just all of the pods in here so that when I want one, I can just grab it. I kind of need a holder for these, but this will do in the meanwhile, and it looks fine. Nice. I had some buttered toast this morning, I told you guys, but then for lunch, I just walked to a local spot and got this acai bowl. It's pretty soupy. The granola, they said had nuts in it, and I just get sus, so I just got extra fruit instead. I honestly wanted a smoothie, but I figured that an acai bowl would be more like satiating because it has like the cut up fruit too, and smoothies don't really fill me up. I actually, in 10 minutes, am podcasting with one of you guys. I put it out there on Instagram. If you have your own podcast, I always get inquiries a few times a week, you know, of people saying like, hey, I listen to Gals and Go, like, would you come on my show? And I would love to come on everybody's show. I just have to coordinate it into my schedule, but I have the time to do it now, so I'm doing one today, one tomorrow, a bunch next week. I'm gonna wash my hands and then eat this. Alrighty guys, it's been a little bit, and I went ahead and got changed. I don't know if I love the look. I'm gonna do my makeup and hair, and then we'll decide if I really like it or not. This is the current situation. The shower curtain is struggling to stay up. I've already, oh, I just put my alarm because I was gonna take a nap, but I ended up not. Yeah, I am struggling because, there we have the light on now. It just keeps falling. So I put it up and it, like, will stay up for like a day or so, and then all of a sudden there's this loud crash and it falls. So whatever, I don't know. I also don't have a towel hook right now, so I'm just like moving around my towel, but we're gonna put up a hook eventually. And then this is my new makeup station, which I'm obsessed with. It's just in the bathroom, and then I have this chair thingy from Amazon that I've had forever. I used to use it as like a little table basically for my printer, but now I'm using it as a chair because it can support me. And then I just have my makeup and everything here. I kind of like this setup here. I think it'll be good. I actually didn't even have, I like used my desk for makeup in my last apartment, which definitely wasn't my fave. I have this mirror that I purchased, I invested in. It is from Simple Human. I needed a cordless mirror because there's no cord on the side, and I need a makeup mirror. I'm just like one of those high maintenance people like that. I know, really annoying. This is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup. I feel like I have no like shades that match me right now for foundation and stuff, so we're just gonna have to make do with it. I'm excited. I'm gonna walk over and meet her for a drink. Renee, I've never met her in person. It's so weird / interesting meeting YouTube friends in person because I feel like we know each other because like we've interacted on social media before, like commented on each other's videos, followed each other of course. So I just am like, oh, we're friends, but I guess I just think everybody's my friend though. I throw around that term very loosely, which I need to work on, but we know that. I'm really excited. I think Renee seems really cool, so it'll be cool. And I know she's been like legit like living alone, so I wonder how that has been through the pandemic. I'm sure very, very difficult. My heart goes out to all of you guys that are quarantining alone or like self-isolating. I hope that you're calling friends and family as much as you can. I've only been alone for like 3 days now, and I can see how it could get really isolating. So make sure you're keeping in touch with your loved ones. Mental health is very, very important, and I just want to look out for all of you guys. I feel like you guys are all my friends. That's why I just talk to the camera when I'm bored, because I'm like, all right, I'll just chat with my pals, I guess. I'm kind of breaking out of my chin. A few people messaged me because I posted my Instagram story like that I have like a breakout or whatever, and people said that they got it when they moved to the city too because of pollution and stuff like that. So it is what it is. I haven't worn a full face of makeup in weeks. It feels like. All right, I'm gonna go get ready and I'll update you when I'm done. Hi guys, good morning. Last night was so fun with Renee. She's such a sweet person. We had honestly such good conversation. Just like so good. It felt like we've known each other for so long. We got some drinks and walked around, like sat in a park and everything. It was really nice, honestly. It was a beautiful night. Just fun to get out of the apartment for sure. Now we are here. I wanted to do a quick haul because I ordered some stuff from Amazon, and I thought that this would be interesting to show. Also super stoked because my couch gets delivered today, so I moved my furniture out of the way. Hopefully I moved enough. They said between 1 and 5. That's like a really big window, but hopefully it's on the earlier side. It doesn't really matter though, I'm around. I wanted to do a quick little haul of some stuff that I got from Amazon. So first off, this was per recommendation by you guys. I got the protector for all rugs and all floors adhesives. So basically these are like little sticky things that stick your rug to the floor, and as you guys know, in my bedroom I really need this. The living room it's fine because the rug is pretty heavy, but the one in the bedroom I don't have a I didn't put anything underneath it, so it's literally just the rug. So I got these to stick into the corners so that it doesn't budge. I'll let you guys know if they work. Next up, I got a lighter. I have a lighter, just like a regular like Bic blue one, but I've seen a lot of people use these ones. They're the rechargeable USB ones, and they're electric. So I just thought that was kind of cool, and it's bendy. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's like $10, and it's like a silver, like chromey one. So pretty cool. And then this is really cool. This is like TikTok inspired. This is a 2-pack of ice trays, but the thing that makes them really, really cool, this top one is big squares. Usually I think this is made for like drinks at a bar, like I want to say something on the rocks. Like if you get like a whiskey on the rocks or something, they usually do like a big, I don't know, I feel like, or an old fashioned or something. I'm not 100% sure. All I know is that it's not supposed to be for drinks per se, but I don't really care. And then I got this one, which is like spears. So it's like circles basically. I thought that both of these were super cool. Oh, I see. So you fill it in with the water from the top. Wow, pretty cool. I'm really excited about these, and I was watching Margot Oshi's video, and she said something for ice, because I don't have an ice maker here. What you do basically is after your ice is made, just store it in like a Tupperware or like a bag or something, so that you don't have to like get rid of it every time if you don't need ice, because you know sometimes you only need like 2 pieces of ice, you don't need a whole tray of ice. First world problems, I know, but that's a good solution, is that you just put a Tupperware in the freezer and then like dump all the ice from the ice trays in the Tupperware. So really excited. I'm gonna throw these in the dishwasher first, but I think that these were pretty solid purchases. I really wanted a cool ice cube, so excited about it. It's the little things. So excited right now. I just got a call that my couch delivery people are here. Said that they are doing it so that they'll bring it like up to my unit, but they won't put it in place. But I'm gonna see, because how am I gonna lift a couch right now? That is gonna be interesting. I got it from an article. This dress that I'm wearing right now is from Urban. It's old. I just thought I'd throw on a dress. I've been really into dresses lately. I'm putting on my shoes, just my white All Saints sneakers. What are these angles? I've just been wearing dresses because it's so easy to just throw on, and it's a completed look. It's kind of flowy. It makes me feel girly. Right, been a minute. Here she is, beautiful couch. This is the Article Sven couch, 2-seater leather. Love it so much, perfect size. And I got a lot of questions like, is it just for the aesthetics? It is so comfy, and I read the reviews, super comfortable. I mean, would I want to sleep on it? Probably not, but it still is one of those couches that like when you sit on it, you kind of like go into it, you know what I mean? I'm super happy with it. I give it 2 thumbs up as of now. Obviously, I'll keep you guys updated as time goes. This is where the room gets messy. My parents are gonna come back, I don't really know when, but at some point, and they're gonna take back those 2 chairs, as well as I need to figure out how I'm gonna sell my big IKEA mirror, because I don't think there's gonna be room in here for that, unfortunately. It's not the end of the world, it's just like, it's not gonna fit, so I'd rather free up the room for something else. I scheduled my CB2 delivery finally. They contacted me and that's gonna come next week. Really great. It's just been great getting the furniture delivered, super safe. And now I have this huge box that I have to figure out how I'm gonna dispose of. I'm gonna like take it somewhere, I guess. I don't know where. I'm gonna figure that out right now. All right, I thought this would be helpful too. I just ordered this from Amazon and it came in so quick, but I got this door lock. While I do have a door lock and a, what is that? It's not a deadbolt, but like one of those other things. I just wanted something for extra precaution because I do live alone and things like that. So I got this master door lock. I can link it down below. But basically what you do is you adjust the length of it. Super easy to set up. I just did it. And then if someone tries to open your door, it doesn't move. I don't have it like fully in place right now, but basically like, actually I don't have it in place at all. Now it's working. So basically it doesn't allow them to open the door. So it's like a bonus lock. You could travel with it and things like that too, but I'm not doing any traveling anytime soon, but I thought it was pretty cool and just cool for extra safety for anybody. And it's like 20 bucks and it just, honestly, you just pay for peace of mind here, and then I could just like push it off to the side and then store it right here next to the door. Pretty great. A few people suggested, even in my old apartment, like video security systems, and that just wouldn't make sense because I would have to put something in the hallway likely. So this is just like the best solution for me, I think. I do feel really safe in this building and in this area, but you never know. Why not just, if it's 20 bucks, be safe. What is this? What would you consider this? Like a dinner? I don't know. For something, and I'm having avocado toast. Alrighty guys, good morning. Just sitting here on the couch. Super comfy, honestly. I'm just enjoying this couch in general. I'll try to link it below. Definitely pricey, but compared to my old couch that I had, that couch was just so uncomfortable. This one I feel like I could really cozy up if I want to like have a blanket, you know, it's nice. And then the soul bike is back there. And then we still have all of the furniture here. Right now I'm just sitting, writing in my planner a little bit. It's a Saturday, enjoying my day. I am going to end off this vlog here. I don't really know if I have like a ton of content for this one actually, but I just feel like I've encompassed a few days and I just have even more fun days ahead and everything. So yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys aren't already. I'm trying to do more stories. Actually, I do stories every single day, so that's more like the daily content. Renee, my friend, told me, she was like, I always turn off my AC unit when I vlog. I just haven't done that, so I apologize for that sound in the background. It's probably gonna be that way for a few more months just because if I turn it off, it gets quite warm in here and then I just start sweating and everything. So but I love you guys so much, and thanks so much for all of your love and support as always, and I'll talk to you again another time. Bye.